Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Cloudflare WARP on Windows for safer browsing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Cloudflare WARP on Windows for safer browsing, begin by opening your web browser. Visit the official Cloudflare WARP website. Locate the download link for Windows and click on it. Once the installer is downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow the installer to run. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open the Cloudflare WARP application. You will see a simple interface with an option to connect. Click on the Connect button to initiate the WARP connection. Once connected, you will notice a change in the status indicator. To verify your connection, open your web browser. Visit a website to test your internet access. If the site loads successfully, you are now connected to Cloudflare WARP. For additional security, you can explore settings within the app. Adjust any preferences based on your browsing needs. That's it. You're now ready to browse safely with Cloudflare WARP on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.